Welcome back to your 30 days of yoga. Today we are going to come into a warrior two, Virabhadrasana 2. Now you can come into this from your downward facing dog, just like we did with warrior 1 a couple of days ago. But actually, because I know you know that, we're going to start from standing. Just coming into the fundamental moves of it. Step your right foot forward. Your toes are coming just in line with your mat, foot in line with everything. That back foot, the left foot, is going to step behind the right foot. Now, try and get the heel of your right foot in line with the arch of your left foot and really press the outside edge of your left foot into the mat. Now, warrior 2, hips are now opening. So warrior 1, hips are closed. Warrior 2, we're opening wide. Roll the shoulders and send length through the fingertips. The front knee is directly over the front ankle, and you've got lovely power in the right leg. The tailbone is tucking, so rather than sticking the chest out, sticking the bum out, scoop everything in. Length through the fingertips, and just bring your gaze over your middle right finger. Stand tall in your warrior 2. Again, it's definitely called warrior for a reason, so own your space. And just send a few breaths here. Take a breath, inhale. Exhale, just land this a little more. Maybe get a little deeper into your pose, into your legs, strong legs, pressing into the feet. Now from your warrior 2, we're gonna start to come into a reverse warrior. So simply flip your front palm. On an inhale, send your weight forward through your fingertips. Keep the legs exactly where they are. Now as you exhale, keep that back edge of the left foot grounding down and start to lift your right arm all the way up towards the ceiling as if you're painting a rainbow all the way over. Allow your left hand to gently land on your left leg. Or maybe bringing the left hand either to your lower back and just finding this to tuck your own tailbone, just tilting the pelvis forward. Or maybe you start to reach the right hand to your right thigh and you find a bind. Maybe the hand's there, maybe it's not. Wherever you are, just keep finding this space all the way down the right side of the body. Take one more breath, inhale. Exhale, land a little more. Now press into the feet, and inhale will rise all the way back to our warrior 2. Inhale, we're going to start to straighten the right leg and simply dial the toes all the way to the side of your mat. Just coming to this wide-legged Tadasana. Coming onto the left leg now, to our warrior 2 on the left leg. Again, this can be done just like our warrior 1. So sending the left leg up in our downward facing dog, stepping it through. But for now, we're just going to turn the left toes to the back of our mat. Right toes, they're sort of on a 90-degree angle, just slightly in of that. So between 45 and 90, pressing into the ball of the front foot, that outside edge of the back foot. Again, the heel is in line with the inner arch of the back foot. The front knee is over the front ankle. Your hips are lovely and wide. Tailbone is tucking. Shoulders are rolling. Fingertips lengthening. Just land here in your strong connected warrior 2. Gaze is over the front middle finger. Take a breath. Inhale. Exhale. Coming into your reverse warrior now. So flip your front palm, send your weight forward on an inhale, legs stay where they are. As you exhale, rainbow that left arm all the way up and over, finding this arch. Right hand softly rests on the right leg. Roll the right shoulder, roll the left shoulder, find space for your neck. Let the head just be heavy and soft. And just breathing here. Now your option to stay here, or the right hand comes to the lower back, and you just find this tucking of the tailbone, this really pressing forward of the hips. Or maybe the right hand reaches all the way to the left thigh, and you find a little bind there. You find it just a softening. Take one more breath wherever you are. Inhale. Exhale. Bend into the knee just a little bit more. And on your inhale, lift it all the way back up. Warrior 2. Start to straighten the left leg, turning all the way back to your wide-legged standing. Hands down by your side. You can heel to the feet all the way in. We'll come back to a Tadasana. And that is your warrior 2. Thank you for your practice. Take this with you tomorrow. Namaste.